In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the process of obtaining a real estate broker's license in the state of Kansas. Whether you are looking to make a change or looking to open your own brokerage, becoming a broker can be a rewarding and fulfilling process. So let's get started. The licensing process is fairly simple. Just follow these 6 steps. 1. You must have your sales associate's license in Kansas for 2 to 3 years, depending on how many transactions you have completed. 2. You will need to complete 60 hours of broker education. After you complete each course, you will need to take and pass a course final exam with a minimum score of a 90% or higher. 3. The Real Estate Commission will require you to get your fingerprints and send them off to the Kansas Bureau of Investigation to process for a background check. 4. This application must be filled out and submitted to the Kansas Real Estate Commission for approval. This process can take up to 4 weeks. 5. Take and pass the licensing exam with Pearson VUE. You will need to obtain a minimum score of 70% or higher to pass. 6. You will need to fill out and file your application with the Kansas Real Estate Commission. And that's it. In order to get a real estate broker's license in the state, you must complete a 30-hour broker management course and a 30-hour broker fundamentals course. Perry Real Estate College offers both courses online, available 24/7, completed at your leisure. The Kansas Real Estate Commission requires each new licensee to obtain a background check before being eligible to obtain a license. The applicant will need to get their fingerprints taken and sent to the Kansas Bureau of Investigations for processing. The Commission will evaluate each person's criminal history on a case-by-case basis. If you are unsure if you will be eligible, please confirm with the Commission. Each new licensee is required to pass a state licensing exam administered by Pearson VUE. The exam is broken down into 2 sections, a general portion containing 80 questions and state portion containing 40 questions. Each section must be completed with a 70% or higher to pass the test. Once you've passed the licensing exam, it's time to apply for your real estate broker's license. You'll need to fill out an application, submit any required documentation, and pay any fees. You can find the application and more information on the Kansas Real Estate Commission's website. It's important to remember that you only have 6 months from the time you complete your course to take your state exam. So, that's a quick overview of how to get a real estate broker's license in Kansas. It's a process that requires some determination and hard work, but the rewards can be well worth it. If you have any further questions or need additional information, feel free to reach out. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more real estate-related content.